Are you wondering how I make my chicken rice? Here you go. First thing first, in a boiling water, you drop 5-inch leeks, about 3 cloves garlic, 3-inch ginger, about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is chicken stock powder. I'm using 2 tablespoons. If you don't have the chicken stock powder, you can use the chicken cube, 2 chicken cubes. Mix it well. 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, half teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Just mix it well. Add in some salt. Once the water is hot, I will do this bathing method, dipping the chicken 3 times inside and then you remove it, dip it back again. The purpose of doing this so the chicken skin will get tightened up, not tear while it's actually cooking in the water. The skin looks tightened now. The chicken needs to be cooked for at least half an hour. Okay, to make the chili sauce for the chicken rice, we need about 6 to 7 chili padi. I'm using 5 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of the chicken stock powder, half teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt to taste. I'm using about 3-inch ginger and 4 cloves of garlic chopped finely. After blending this with half cup of water, lastly we'll add in the lemon juice. Okay, we'll prepare for the rice now. Once the pan is hot, add in some butter. It's about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. With this, I will add in some oil, maybe about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the butter has melted, we'll drop in 2 down pandans, 1 red onions, finely chopped, 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, about 4-inch ginger. Saute till you get a nice fragrance. Once you get a good aroma from the down pandan and the onion and garlic, you can saute the rice. You mix well. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil is ready to be transferred into the rice cooker now. We'll add in the 1.5 cups of plain water and 1.5 cups of chicken stock. The rice is ready to be cooked. We're ready now to make the ketchup for the chicken rice. You add in some oil to saute the garlic. I'm using 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Saute till it changes to a golden brown color. Now you can add in the chicken stock, about 2 cups of chicken stock. Together with that, I will add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and you add in 10 tablespoons of ketchup manis. Bring it to boil. We'll mix in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. When the water starts boiling, lastly we'll add in the cornstarch. So you can immediately see the sauce will get thickened up. So once it's thickened, you can immediately switch off the stove and it's done. This is the juice from the 2 limau kasturi. And you mix well, the chili sauce is ready. Okay, it has been half an hour and the chicken is beautifully cooked. So we can off the stove now and remove the chicken from heat. For the soup, we need 2 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of plain water. Add in 1 handful of radish and 2 tablespoons of groundnuts. Cook it till it's soft. We'll pour the sweet ketchup on the chicken and we'll garnish it with some coriander leaf. The chicken is ready now to be served with our rice and our special soup.